Hello everyone, hope all is well with you. Santa has come in early to my home with my DT kit from Kleina Palma Designs. Can you believe Christmas is just 4 months away? I'm so excited and can't stop myself to open this pack as soon as it arrived. Hence decided to share the die cutouts of each of the die for better understanding. And here is the first set. It's Firba, bow, orange and berries. This set consists of 11 metal dies. This die set is perfect for Christmas. There is a big bow and it's absolutely gorgeous and goes perfect with the wreath. And next is the firba. See, can you see the needles? And these are very intricate in type. And here is the cones. The next is the berry bunch. And this set has got a sliced orange with the base for setting that slice over it. And you would need brads to make the arrangement, and it has got the connector in each set. The sample images are at the back of each pack. You will get an idea on how to use the entire set and with the help of brads. The next set is Holy Poinsettia and Christmas Rose. This pack consists of 16 metal dies. Here is the leaf. It looks very pretty. Then comes the poinsettia flower. This has got three sizes: small, medium and bigger petal. And the center pollens are there separately, and all together it gives a beautiful flower arrangement. Here is the Christmas rose. It looks very pretty and I'm really waiting to create a flower out of this. And these are all the center portions of the flowers, and this is the connector. And each and every pack has got a beautiful flower arrangement. This will really inspire you. Here comes the mistletoe and amaryllis die pack. This consists of 14 metal dies. This mistletoe has got some tiny flowers in it, which makes a perfect and real looking mistletoe branch. And these are all the amaryllis. It has got a base, flower and the petals separately. You can add the flowers along with the stamens to give a 3D flower effect. It looks very pretty. You can use it as it is or make a 3D flower arrangement for your project. I would like to add a point here that Kleina's flower die set collection are very easy to handle, and you can assemble the duck cutouts in no time to get a gorgeous flower. Being a crafter herself, Kleina understands the painful part of a crafter, and she has made our job easy by providing such a beautiful flower collections. You can visit her website at kleinapalmer.com. Join our Facebook group Kleina Crafty Crew, where we share tips, tutorials and inspirations for all these dies. And this set is 8x8 double stitch nested die. With this die set we can create stitch details inside and outside of the cut line to create decorative edges on our project. Here comes the stamp, Christmas stamp. It has got 27 sentiments in it. It goes perfect with the sentiment dies, which I'll share you now. The next die set is Mixem dies. This is the Christmas sentiment die set. It has got 16 sentiments in each. You can cut in two different colors and layer one over the other, and gives a striking look to your projects. These sentiments dies can be mixed along with our earlier releases of Mixem dies and the Mixem stamp range to form many sentiment options. The sentiments in this pack are season greetings, winter ho, Merry Christmas, and Santa snow. This pack is from our earlier release, the banner die set. It has got three banners in it, and here comes the family sentiment die set pack. These are all very big and beautiful. These die cuts matches well with the stamp pack, and this is the family stamp pack with 22 premium photo polymer stamps. We have one more pack of family layering dies. It has got 14 sentiments in that. That's all from me for now. Join Kleina tomorrow at Hochanda at one day special show where she launches these beautiful dies. Thank you for stopping by.